Read your last sent text out loud. Huy, dito ipapakita ha. Hi, I'm Esnir, and today we're with Nylan Manila! And we're playing Dares. Ayan, behind me are a bunch of balloons. Hindi naman halata. And we will be answering questions or dare inside these balloons. My goal is to pop 10 balloons as quickly as possible, and it only counts if I get to do what's inside the balloon. Tara, English. Kaya tara na. Puto ka na! Pop, pop, pop! Ay! Name your celebrity crush. Dami. Ako yung crush nila. Charis. Si... Louise Partridge. Ba yan? Love you, babe. Namumutok! Create a new Gen Z slang term. Precious. Diba? Precious. Which of your characters were you most like when you were in high school? Andre, because I'm silent. Charis. Si Balong, syempre. LGBT representative tayo dito. What's your advice to high school students who are having a hard time at school? It's okay. It's normal. Do your best. And it's part of being high school. Wala namang easy, di ba? Okay lang yan. You are not alone in this battle. We're all in this together by High School Musical. What's your process for creating the characters in your skits? My process, makeup, directing, lahat-lahat. Kasama na ba to? Who's your favorite character that you've played? Si Precious, syempre! Kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Ang daming lalaki mo, ti. Para ka namang sira. Read your last sent text out loud. Text? Sino ba tinext ko? Huy, dito ipapakita ha. Eto, si Maloy. Sabi ko, watermark. Kasi nasa ano siya nito, nasa concert siya, tapos nagwa-watermark siya. So, si Maloy. Who is your dream love interest to have in a high school crush skit? Issue, baka may magsaselos. Dream love interest to have? Oh my God, oh my God! Donnie Pangilinan or Papa P, Piolo Pascual, and Dieter Ocampo, and Jericho Rosales. Imitate a terror teacher. Boys at the back! Isa! Kakainis kayo. Isa din kayo nylon, ah. Tell your best joke. Try to make the whole team laugh. Wait, wala akong joke. My precious. Okay na yan. Tamawa na kayo. Mukha ko si Gollum. Okay na yan. Ako ba yung high score? Once again, this is Esnir, and thank you so much! I hope you enjoyed! Yes, please check out my cover story at nylanmanila.com, and you can shop my Nylan Manila MyZine print at shop.nylanmanila.com. Ayan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Nylan Manila for more content that gives. Once again, thank you for watching! Slay, period, per, seated, devoured, bow.